This is a brand new 2011 Ford F-150. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 3.7-liter V6. Its top features include air conditioning, a double wishbone independent front suspension, 17-inch wheels, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, an anti-lock braking system, side curtain airbags, and an auxiliary power outlet. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Corning Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 2280 Short Drive in Corning. Get the best price the first time from our internet sales department and get one step closer to your next vehicle.